Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel friends. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how can we unpair our Wi-Fi network in our Tecno phone. Friends, you have paired any Wi-Fi network and friends you want to unpair it. So friends, how can you unpair? In this video friends, I am going to show you friends. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys if you're new in my channel, so when first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, like my video. So when first of all open your phone setting to unpair your Wi-Fi network. So guys click on Wi-Fi setting. So which network guys you have paired and guys you want to unpair. So guys how can you unpair guys, and guys you want to share guys this Wi-Fi network, so you can share from here. So guys I want to unpair, so guys press on Wi-Fi and guys click on the forget option to unpair. Means this Wi-Fi network will not work in your phone guys. You want to use, you want to pair, so you will have to enter password again, then guys you can pair this Wi-Fi network. So are you friends, you have understood how to unpair Wi-Fi network in a Tecno phone? So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.